Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am here to introduce you all to this beautiful Indian sari brand called Suta. So firstly, let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video and I am making this video out of pure love I have for this brand. So initially when I kept looking for saris online, I kept seeing these pop-ups of Suta website. So I went ahead and checked out their website and I must tell you, I was quite impressed with their collection. They are mostly making this malmal cotton saris, handloom saris, and also they have this wide range of blouse collection. Not just that, the saris also comes with sari falls and edging with some additional cost to it. I was totally impressed by all of this and I wanted to give it a try. But still, I was a little skeptical initially because I had not heard much about the brand. So what I did was I took the risk and I ordered one sari initially, which is under 2000 rupees. So I did receive my sari after 8 days and I must tell you the sari looked exactly same as it was shown in the website. I was very happy with the sari because the color was so good, the quality was so good, the feel of it was amazing. So I went ahead and bought many saris from their website and today I'm going to show you those. So the first one you see here is called Sweet Line. This is a handloom cotton sari. As you can see, all their saris comes with tassels. But if you need the fall and sari edging to be done, you will just have to pay 117 rupees and they'll do it for you. I mostly get everything done whenever I order from their site. This second sari you are seeing here is from their Made in Heaven Mull collection. This is a handloom mull sari with zari. The zari work here is subtle and it adds the beauty to this fabric in right proportion. I must tell you, these saris are made for all age groups. This third sari you see here is called Passion and it's one of their best seller. This sari fabric is a blend of 70% cotton and 30% acrylic, making it 100% amazing, as they have rightly described in their site. They have many colors in the same pattern. Everything is worth buying, but I somehow settled for this beautiful green with purple pallu. Another note here is you may not get blouse pieces for most of their saris, but few of them are exception. And here is one such sari which comes with a blouse piece. The next one here is another favorite of mine. The name is Chocolate Lips. This again is a handloom cotton sari, so soft and the color is so beautiful. This might look black here, but no. This is a dark coffee or a brown color. This gives an ilkal sari feel. People down south will surely know what I'm talking about. I love the ethnicity this sari brings along. Now this one called Antique Gold A Jhumki is the first sari I ordered from Suta. Olive green is my favorite color and I just couldn't resist myself after seeing this. This again is a malmal cotton sari with jhumki as a twist in it. I wore this on my birthday and this just made my day. Each Suta sari has its own story and a name. Though most of them I liked were sold out, I had to choose among what's available and these are what I picked. And another important note here is, whenever you select a sari here, you need to read the content in each tab to know more details about the sari. Along with the story description of the sari, they have also provided the length, blouse piece, wash care and fabric type in the details. The things I love about Suta is that the saris which they deliver is exactly same as what they have shown in the website. Not just the sari is beautiful, but it is very comfortable to wear because it is so soft and light that you would really feel comfortable wearing such sari. And another thing which I was quite impressed was the sari comes with a very subtle fragrance, which I totally fell in love with. Few areas which I feel the Suta can improve is that the price, not of the saris but of the blouse. I feel the blouse is overpriced. And another thing which I felt was These sarees which I received from Sutta mentioned that it needs to be given only for dry cleaning. That's something I have a little concern over, because when you're going for a sustainable fashion, you would prefer that sari can be machine washed. But no, these sarees needs to be given for dry cleaning. The return service also can be improved a little. And also, if you're someone who would choose comfort over luxury, this brand is totally for you. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have, you know what you have to do. Please like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.